How to declare on CNFans. So here I'm on the website. So here's what you want to do. First, you want to press on DIY order and you will need to type the product name. So I'm just going to do wallet. The product link here is where you will put the product link and the specifications as well as product notes. You will need to upload images, and how do we actually declare? So you will need to find your specific country's rate for declaration. So for example, for the US, it used to be $12 per kilogram. Now you want to check if that's still the case, and you will type unit fee. It's going to be in CNY to place the order and wait for the agent to confirm the underpaid amount. So basically you will need to type out the specific price, and afterwards you will basically have successfully declared the price for your specific country. But like I said, it varies, so the amount you need to put here varies depending on your country. Hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.